What's going on, guys? It's Nathan here from Freedom Fitness. I'm doing a short video today by request on the frog to headstand. So this is the very beginning phase of this and how you would go from being completely new at both of these skills to combining them into one total overall skill. So first we need to kind of break it down into parts. So for the frog, what we want is either our hands straight forward or slightly turned out. We don't want them straight out to the side. It's going to make our life very difficult to balance. So you want to grab the floor, and if you feel you're falling forward, dig your fingers into the floor. So think of it, when you're hand balancing, your hands act like your feet, and when you fall forward, your feet dig into the ground to stop you falling on your face. It's the exact same when we're balancing on our hands. So for the frog itself, what you want to do is set up where your knees are either slightly outside or straight on top of the back of your elbows. So always, for safety's sake, have a cushion or something under your head so that if you do fall forward, you're going to be completely safe. So you want your hands to be shoulder width apart, like basically as you would for a push-up. They're going to go directly under you, fingers either forward or slightly out. Placing our knees on the back of our elbows, so either out or directly on, and then just slowly lean forward until you feel your weight starts to go. So that's our initial first step. So as I say, lean forward and just allow your weight to travel forward. Don't jump forward, don't kick up, literally just tilt forward. Now a common mistake is that people stay back here, which makes life very difficult. So you want to stay here, like your forearm should be vertical in this. So lean forward. Tip that really helps is if we point our toes, that'll tighten everything up. If you feel we're going too far forward too quick, dig your fingers in, that'll send you back. Okay? Now, for the headstand itself, we don't want to be in, our hands and our head shouldn't be in line with each other. You should make a triangle shape, so it should be like this. So hands and head. So that's why I have the pillow out in front of me, that you want to make an equilateral triangle. So in other words, equal distance apart with my hands is about how far ahead my head should be. So to go into our headstand first, we'll just do that separately. So hands, exact same distance as before, head's going to be out in front of us. We're going to place this portion of our head, so not all the way back and not right in the front, right here just above the forehead. That's what's going to touch down onto the ground. I have something like a cushion that will have a bit of give and be easy on you. If you find there's too much pressure at any point, just come out of it. And I would also recommend that those who are new to this, do it with your back to a wall. Always have a wall there for safety, just in case. So, hands out, head comes down onto the floor. So if you're completely new, what you're going to do is raise your bum up, put one knee on an elbow, one knee on the other elbow, and just stay here at first and see how comfortable you are. Again, pointing your toes will just kind of tighten things up. And then if you're comfortable, extend one leg, keeping your butt squeezed, and extend the other leg. Keeping your butt squeezed the entire time. And then come back down the same way. Okay, so then how we transition from our frog into our headstand is that we basically, that grip that we're using with our fingers to prevent us falling forward, we're now going to use to assist us to fall forward at a nice slow rate. So we don't want to slam our head into the ground. We're going to slowly tip forward, and then we will finish in that end position, or our end position will be the beginning of our headstand setup. So, knees on the elbows, start to lean forward, point the toes, slowly allow our head to tip forward, touching the ground, extend our knees up, keeping our butt squeezed so everything's nice and tight, bring them back down, put them back on our elbows, and then if we want, we can shift our weight back into our frog stand and back to our squat, or to our feet, or wherever you want to go. Okay guys, so give that a shot, let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know. I do videos by request, so if you have anything you're interested in working on, especially with everything going on in the world and everyone being stuck at home, feel free to drop me a message or visit my website, drop me an email. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Cheers.